This short video will go through the key aspects of the appointment selection process for ILTM buyers and will help to provide you with the best possible diary in the lead up to your next ILTM event. The ILTM appointment system runs on a sophisticated algorithm to match up buyers and exhibitors based on preferences, target markets, areas of interest, and availability. Before you begin the selection process, it is very important to ensure your online profile is completely up to date, paying particular attention to the company description and geographical regions of interest. The exhibitor will be selecting you on the basis of the information that you provide, so it is vital that this information is as accurate as possible. You will be notified by the ILTM team via email on the exact date the pre-scheduled appointment system opens and closes. The email will only be sent to buyers who have been pre-qualified and are confirmed to attend the event. Firstly, go to the Buyer Zone homepage. The link will have been emailed to you by the ILTM team. Enter the username and password that you used to register with. If you cannot remember your login details, you can create a new one on the login page. From the Buyer Zone homepage, click on Appointments, followed by Appointment Preferences. To find exhibitors you would like to meet with, you can filter your search by the geographical region covered and the product and services provided. Use the advanced search facility to find exhibitors by name, company name, and country. Please note that country will refer to the exhibitor's office location. You can also click the Who Selected Me tick box to list all exhibitors that have already indicated they'd like to meet with you. Click the grey contact button to see more of the exhibitor's information. This will include links to their company website and the exhibitor portal, where you can find a complete overview of their products. Once you have identified an exhibitor that you would like to meet with, you are able to add them directly to your list of My Preferences by pressing the green Add button. You can rank your exhibitor appointment preferences in line with your own business objectives. To reorder your preferences, simply drag and drop up and down the list. Exhibitor number 1 is the most important appointment to you. Selections made further down the list are less important to your requirements. If at any point you need to start a new search, you can reset the list. To remove an attendee from your list of preferences, simply hover over the name and click the delete icon. The deadline date for you to complete your pre-scheduled appointment selections is shown in the top right-hand corner of the screen. It is vital to remember to select Save Preferences at the top of your list, otherwise you could lose your selections. Once you are happy and have saved your selections, ILTM will create your appointment schedule by matching mutual preferences made by both you and the exhibitor. ILTM will then match using exhibitors and buyers' individual preferences, taking into consideration the order of priority and availability. Once the match is complete, you will receive an email advising that your current appointments are available to view. Your final schedule will be available to view in the Buyer Zone once the SSAs have closed. You will be sent an email with your full PDF appointment schedule attached. Please ensure you print this off before the event or save it to your mobile device, as it will not be printed on site. The ILTM team are always happy to help. If you have any queries, please email iltmteam@readexpo.co.uk or visit the Contact Us page on the ILTM website.